This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
You bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Lift up, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my way, hella quick. They get the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big, this a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party, so I just want a rock.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today we're going to talk about a little project that I've been working on during quarantine since can't really go anywhere. I had some sound deadening material laying around, and I finally decided to use it, so I'll give you guys the scoop on that. So this is sound deadener. It's very similar to Dynamat Extreme, and I generically call a lot of sound deadeners just Dynamat in general. But this material, and actually you really need to wear gloves to even handle this stuff, because the aluminum foil backing on it can actually cut you up pretty good. So wear gloves when using this. But basically this material is a sheet with butyl rubber, and then you peel this backing off. And this is made by a company called Noico. And actually, I'll put an Amazon link for this stuff. This is a 36 square foot box. I had 2 boxes of these laying around. So I finally decided, hey, what the heck, let's do the town car. And but anyways, the other thing that you're going to need as well is a good razor blade of some sort to cut it to size. And also you're going to need a roller to properly apply it. Now you need to clean the inside panel that you plan on soundproofing very good. It can't be dirty. Then at that point you're going to apply that with gloves. Apply good pressure to it, run your hand over it in gloves. Again, I can't stress that enough. And then at that point, you're going to take the roller and you're going to roll this until it's flat, that you don't see this dimpled pattern anymore. And I actually really like that about this particular sound deadener. But anyways, I made some video along the way so you guys can check out, how the project went. Dynamat's installed in the rear quarter. Pretty solid. Same thing with the trunk, the other rear quarter, and also did the underneath the seats. So we're about halfway done. All right, so this door has been soundproofed. Let's hear it close, and it sounds pretty solid. And if I bang on the panel, so I haven't done the front doors yet. You can hear the difference. All right, front doors. They're sound deadened. Let me just unlock this for a second, and I'll show you guys how it closes. It closes very quietly. It's just a real nice solid sounding door. Moving under the hood. So I did the hood, and what I did was I removed the sound deadener, the factory one, and applied the sound deadener under the hood, and it's been great under here. Definitely cut down some of the engine noise from the engine. Another thing that I did, I just started cleaning up the engine a little bit since I'm not going anywhere, and looks pretty damn good. So one thing I didn't do was the roof. And the reason for that is I just really don't feel like dealing with pulling the headliner down. And this has made a huge difference as far as driving the car. I've noticed that road noise is way down. And when I say drive the car, essential travel only. So that's trips to the grocery store, stuff like that. But it is much quieter. The sound system sounds a lot better in the car. So I'd very highly recommend this Noico 80 mil thick sound deadener. I'm very impressed with the results. I've done all the doors, rear quarters, the trunk, and the hood, and also parts of the floor as well. It's awesome. So definitely check that out in the link below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. Until next time, take care.